Daktari. How are you? It's been a while since you took us through cooking with Chef Dion and also informing us about health benefits of vegetable peels, seeds, and all those things that we throw away and how to make them into healthy, beneficial, natural food supplements that help us manage our conditions and also prevent us getting into some really bad side effects with medication and a lot of other things. So tell us, what do you have for us today?
Right here I'm just finishing making Mexican salsa.
Mm-hmm.
Tomatoes, 2 kilo, 5 big red onions,
Mm-hmm.
some chopped celery, garlic, a whole bulb, and some of my homemade herbs.
Mm-hmm.
It's not even 10% from what you have to buy in the supermarket, what you have to pay for it. So let it cool down and put it in the blender.
Mm-hmm.
And last time we had a liter.
Uh-huh.
Within 3 days it was finished. It was
Yes,
very healthy, very delicious.
Oh.
So last time I told you about the health benefits of Bougainvillea.
Uh-huh.
This is Bougainvillea Concentrate with cinnamon,
We
very healthy.
don't want to show the Fanta, we are not at
No. Well, I'm used in the past. I used a lot of ammonium and active charcoal. This prevents diarrhea. No more problems with diarrhea whatsoever.
So that's what you're taking right now?
This is I mixed just a little bit of this concentrate, added water. It's very fresh. You can also cook it a little bit with water, make tea, add some honey with it. And this is the result. Dried and grinded. Look, if you have to buy this in the health shop.
Smells very nice.
Yes, I used in the health shop every month about, I think thousands of Canadian shillings. 10, 20, 30 euro a month. Now this is a fraction of the price you would normally pay for it. These are made today. All the effects of these herbs I'm making, holistic medicine, phytonutrients, minerals, vitamins, all from waste, enables me, when a few months ago I was not able to stand 15 minutes on my feet. I had to sit down, sweating. Today I stood in the kitchen for about 3 hours.
Yes.
Preparing, grinding, juicing, like this banana juice. Made this whole lot. Spent an hour dishwashing. As you see, there is still a little bit left. So no, you don't want to show that. So, cutting, chopping, cooking, average of 5 hours, 6 hours a day. Besides my other voluntary activities on the net. Here we got another jar. It was full, but we've given away some. People are very happy with it.
Yes.
And I experienced the health benefits. Plantain peel, avocado, seed, peels. Another one.
Yes.
Now this one, this one I made today. It's amazing. As a lifelong insomniac, I've been swallowing Seresta, Tenesta, Soplicon, the last month's Stilnox, sleeping medication. I used to sleep no more than 3-4 hours a day. But with these, the banana pills and everything, I managed to sleep 6 hours to 7 hours a night.
Wow.
Also because I use fixed vapor up now, which has a side effect. If you put it on your forehead, it has a cooling effect.
Can we see how it looks?
I washed my hands, so
Wow. Okay.
smells very nice.
Yes, it does.
So what we've got here is a fortune in the health shop. But it's basically all stuff we throw away daily.
Yeah.
Now, last time, this is for someone, for Monica already.
No.
Amazing effect of eggshells. This is grinded eggshells.
Wow.
They're the biggest source of known to mankind of calcium, preventing, helping with osteoporosis, bone structure strengthening, many health effects.
Oh, it has really helped me. I have nails to paint these days because of Dr. Dion. Yeah.
Okay.
Look at my nails, and I had problems because of the lupus.
One nail was completely disappeared. It
They would
returned.
grow and be pulled out or something. Fall off, and they were really thick and a terrible color. So I can vouch for that. Yeah.
Okay, and it also tastes nice. And there have been some questions what to do, how to use these herbs. Well, once you got them, just use them as you feel yourself. You can put it in salads, you can cook with it. Smoothies you can make with yogurt even, salads already mentioned. Whatever you feel like. And you have to experiment a bit with it. Because I've been using a lot of ingredients, like these sunflower leaves, petals. As you can see, can you open it please? Also, I have been using 15 pills, pharmaceutical pills a day. Pharma industry is not happy with this because in medicines my insurance will be happy because tens of thousands of euro a year I spend swallowing 15 pills a day. And these sunflower petals, they prevent arteriosclerosis, as I've done research. What more? What's the simvastatin, the vastatin pills? Cholesterol. They lower cholesterol. They're good for the cardio. They got many health benefits. So some things are a little bit bitter, but you can sweeten them up. Okay, well, having been standing on my feet and busy for 6 to 7, 8 hours today. Done some training, walking training. Also the atrophy of the muscles as a result of 9 years being bedridden. It's all, I'm dancing and jumping, hardly using the wheelchair anymore.
Walking on crutches.
Yeah.
Fantastic. So, chef.